Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add snowfall effect in InShot. Alright guys, here I have created a project in my InShot, and the first thing we have to do if we want to add the effect is clicking on the filter option right here. Then you're going to select effect. Then make sure that you find the snow effect. So you have to scroll all the way to the right on this part until you find the celebrate category. Tap on it. And then since we want to add the snowfall effect, we can tap on snow. Okay, and we can adjust the effect. You can increase the speed and also increase the amount of the snow. If you want to do it, you just need to drag it to the right like this. You can also go right to decrease it. Okay, then once you're done, you can click on this check mark button. Then you can make the effect align with the video, so you can drag it to the right. And now let's just take a look at the final result. So I'm gonna play the video. Alright guys, and that's how we can add a snowfall effect in InShot. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.